pagiku cerahku, matahari bersinar, ku gendong tas merahku di pundak.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from group NAQL and our group member is from me, Muhammad Shafiq, and we have Akamuddin and last one we have Nur Ilyas Hakim. Today, I would like to present the background of our mini project, which is Smart Attendance, developed by our group, NAQL. Firstly, in modern educational environment, technology plays an important role in managing academic and administrative activities. And one common issue faced by many institutions is the traditional method of taking student attendance. And most classes still rely on a paper-based attendance sheet, which can be time-consuming and may lead to the problem like human error, missing record, and even attendance manipulation. So, with the advancement of the Internet of Things or IoT, there is a great opportunity to improve this process. To solve this problem, our group has developed the Smart Attendance System. This system uses RFID technology, where each student is given an RFID card with a unique ID. To record attendance, students simply tap their card on an RFID reader installed in the classroom. And this can make the attendance process more faster, easier and less disruptive during class. Once the card is tapped, the system automatically identifies the student and records the attendance in real time. The data is stored digitally, allowing lecturer to access attendance record easily without using paper. And overall, our project Smart Attendance shows how RFID and IoT technologies can be applied in a simple but meaningful way to solve everyday problems, especially in education. And next, let's look on the objective of this project, problem statement, what the hardware and the software we use in this project, and also lastly about the demo of the project.
Okay, next we go to the problem statement. Nowadays students are using signature are commonly used to record in attendance class. However, this method is not fully reliable because students can sign for their friend who are absent. So the signature can also be forged or copied, especially when the lecturer cannot verify each signature carefully. So this lead to manipulate of attendance record and reduce fairness among a student. So therefore we are introduce a smart attendance system using a card scanner. So each student has a unique card and making attendance record more accurate and secure. So this system will help to reduce cheating, save time and improve the credibility of attendance data.
Okay, now we move to the next part, which is the hardware that we use in this project. So this is the list of the hardware that we use in the project. On the left side, we can see that we have the RFID set, and also we have the USB to micro USB wire that used to connect the project to the laptop to run the code. And in the middle part, which is the base of the project, which is a breadboard, Node MCU V2 ESP12E that we use to connect the Wi-Fi, and OLED display. And also we have the box that will cover the structure of the project. On the right side, we have the 8-way right angle header pin that will use to connect the RFID reader with the breadboard, and also male to male multicolor DuPont wire and male to female multicolor DuPont wire, so that the RFID reader and the OLED display can easily move to other place. So in this project, we use the 3 software. The first one is Blink that used to get a notification from the project, and the Arduino IDE that we use to run the code, and also the Google Sheet to store the data from the RFID card to the RFID reader, and the data from the RFID reader can transfer to the Google Sheet. And when the data from the Google Sheet was coming, the blink will give the notification to the user.
Okay, at the end of the slide, we go to the conclusion. So the smart attendance can make sure the student will be more disciplined and punctual to come to the class. So there are no fraud between lecturer and student. So then make sure the student will be more disciplined lah. So and lastly, the lecturer also can easy to get the data from student using this IoT project. Thank you.